उधर ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया की मैडिकल अधिकारी डॉक्टर बॉनी हैनरी तो पहले कह चुके हैं कि कोविड-19 वैक्सीन के दूजे पड़ाव के लिए रणनीति बनाई जी गई है। उन्होंने इस बारे जानकारी दी सी। उन्होंने कहा कि कोरोना वैक्सीन की पहली तो दूजी खुराक की जी देरी बारे भी जिक्र करते हुए उन्होंने कहा कि कोविड-19 वैक्सीन के 3 मुख टीचे जोड़े ने कुछ इस तरह ने। एक बार सुन लेने बॉनी हैनरी की कह रहे हैं।
As you know, throughout this pandemic, our goals have been quite clear. Our 3 main goals have been to do all we can to prevent people from getting seriously ill or dying from COVID-19, to keep our health system fully functioning so that anyone who needs the care that can get the care that they need when they need it, and of course to minimize as much as we can the disruption to our society, although we know that it has been profound. These goals have guided our decision making on our pandemic response and on our BC immunization program. The scientific evidence has proven that the single most important risk factor for becoming seriously ill or dying from COVID-19 is age. The older you are, the more at risk of severe illness or death you are. That is why here in BC, like many jurisdictions around the world, the foundation of our immunization program is an age-based approach to first protect those who are most vulnerable or caring for the most vulnerable in our long-term care, assisted living, and now moving out into the community. We are starting with our oldest and most vulnerable and working from there. But we now have some new tools. First, as we heard on Friday, we now have 3 safe and highly effective vaccines available for use in Canada. The addition of the AstraZeneca and Serum Institute of India viral vector vaccine, which has been used quite a lot in many countries in the world, particularly in the UK, which will be supplied from these 2 manufacturers, allows us to be more agile in where and how we can immunize people here in BC. Unlike the vaccines that we've had so far from Pfizer, BioNTech, and from Moderna, this is a vaccine that is stable at fridge temperatures, so 2 to 8 as we call it in the immunization world. That means we can use our community infrastructure and we can be much more flexible on how we can immunize people. We can use our established distribution systems because no special freeze.
साडा हर एक प्रोग्राम देखण ते साडे नाल जुड़न लई सब्सक्राइब करो चैनल पंजाबी ते नोटिफिकेशन लई बेल आइकन वाले बटन ते क्लिक करो।